So when I'm on a podcast interview, I'm going to say, hey, I'm going to add value to you. And in an ideal world, I would love to support your podcast. Or, hey, let's give you as much value as you can. Talk about your company, talk about how you can serve podcasters and how you can help my audience. In an ideal world, I could come on your podcast and share how I could help those same podcasters, for example. And so I just thought it was really cool. So A, interview your perfect avatar. B, interview people that have the audience of your avatar. But C, make sure that you aren't afraid to tell people what would be perfect for you. And I think I've been afraid of it. I think I've not thought of it. I think I've not wanted to push. I think I've wanted to come across as somebody who doesn't need anything from anyone. And Randall McLeod from Agents Building Cash Flow, he approaches it like in an honest, straightforward, this would be really cool is if you and I did this. This would be cool if we collabed. This would be cool if you entered me on your podcast. I would love it if I could get in front of your audience somehow. I'd love it if we could send out emails about each other and grow together. He says that, and it's really benefiting him. And so I thought, I'm going to make a podcast episode just about that, just about this new way that I had never tried before, just to get a little bit more impact out of your effort, your time. And I think it goes, I think the thing is just get past that fear, get past the fear of how it's going to come across if you tell somebody what you're looking for. I can think of so many examples when you're on a date. If you're just straightforward with the person, what you're looking for, what you want out of it, what would be ideal for you, you might get it. And if not, you both know, you both know. I can think of Tinder, and most people don't at all say what they want. They're not saying that they're looking for short-term fun. They're not saying that they want a relationship. They're just on there, and you don't know. And then they never tell you. And then you don't know how to act. But if they just told you, hey, I'm just looking for short-term fun, and you were looking for a relationship, then you're like, I'm good. Like, you go and find your short-term fun. I want something real. Or if you're like, hey, I only want something real, and that person wanted short-term fun, then the same thing. They would be like, cool. Like, I don't want to waste your time. I'm not looking for that. I'm gonna go over here and find this other thing.